Welcome to our step-by-step guide on the stock market for beginners. Imagine owning a tiny piece of your favorite company. That's what buying stocks allows you to do. First, let's understand what a stock is. A stock represents a share in the ownership of a company and constitutes a claim on part of the company's assets and earnings. There are two main types, common and preferred stocks. To start investing, you'll need a brokerage account. This account lets you buy and sell stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and other investment products. Research different brokers and consider factors like fees, available resources, and customer service before making your choice. Now, let's talk about how stocks are traded. Stocks are purchased on exchanges like the New York Stock Exchange or NASDAQ. Prices fluctuate based on demand, company performance, economic conditions, and news. When you're ready to buy a stock, it's time to research. Look at the company's financial health, industry position, and potential growth. Tools like financial news websites and analyst reports can provide valuable insights. Keep an eye on key financial metrics like earnings per share, price-to-earnings ratio, and dividend yield. It's important to diversify your investments, which means spreading your money across different types of stocks, sectors, or asset classes. This can help reduce risk. Next, set your investment budget. Only invest money you can afford to lose, as stocks can be volatile. Determine the number of shares to buy and understand the concept of dollar-cost averaging, investing fixed amounts at regular intervals to reduce the impact of market volatility. Before making your purchase, decide on your investment strategy. Are you in it for the long haul, or are you looking to make quick gains through trading? This will influence your buying and selling decisions. Once you've bought a stock, monitor your investments. Track performance indicators and news about the company, but avoid the temptation to constantly check your portfolio. Focus on the long-term perspectives and adjust your strategy as needed. Finally, never stop learning. The stock market is dynamic. Read books, take online courses, and follow reliable financial news outlets. That wraps up today's beginner's guide to the stock market. Remember, investing is a journey, not a sprint. Stay informed, stay wise, and you'll be on your way to becoming a successful investor.